Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect fireworks in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, I'm going to equip my fireworks in my backpack. I'm going to select, for example, wait guys. Okay, this one, colorful cold firework, and then I'm going to hold it. Then I'm going to place the firework here. Okay, and we can connect the firework, um, but you need to place more than one firework, of course. I'm going to place 3. Okay, and if you want to connect it, you're going to click on this icon. Wait guys, I'm going to withdraw the firework. Okay, you're going to go to the firework and you're going to click on this connect icon and you're going to select another firework to connect. Yeah, just like this. Oh, I need to select another firework. Okay, I've made a connection, as you can see guys, and I'm going to connect it with this one. Okay, and if you want to light up the firework, just click on this icon and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can connect fireworks in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.